Follow us on our journey as we open our first food truck. A big shout out to Texas Built Food Trailers located in Belton, Texas. They were extremely helpful and provided us with a ton of knowledge. We started a dream to open our first veteran-owned business in 2025, but ran into several hurdles with SBA loans, a government shutdown, and finding a good location. We decided to skip all of the things and jump right in. We are focusing on building our brand in the community. I'm proud to introduce to y'all Bees Treats. We'll be serving frozen yogurt, acai bowls, breakfast waffle bowls, and more. Follow us on Facebook as we dive headfirst in 2026. See you around town.